You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly, by the way. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced and similar names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The most common pronunciation in English is as Joanie, alright? Not Johnny. It's not the Johnny name, just like the male name. It's Joanie, generally pronounced. Joanie. Joanie, just like Joe and then ni. Joanie. Now, some may pronounce it differently, but I don't think that's very common. As in Joanie, yes, it could be. Do you pronounce it Joanie? Or how do you pronounce it? Joanie? Let us know your pronunciation in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.